Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove credit card from Shopee. So first of all, go ahead and enter the website and make sure that you logged in with your account. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and switch to the to the instruction page, and I'm going to ask Shopee how to remove credit card. It says you can delete your credit or debit card details from the linked payment methods page on Shopee app. Go to the Me tab, select the icon, and then or the settings gear icon, and then bank accounts cards. Select the relevant card, delete, and enter your password and continue. So basically click on your avatar icon, and basically that will direct you to the settings, and then just go ahead to the payment methods. Go to the selected card, and then you're gonna remove it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.